So, since I figured that we're going to be spending the week looking at my eating habits, I need to talk a little bit more about my medicine that I take every day. There are a couple of rules I have to abide by. First, it must be taken on an empty stomach. I have to wait 1 hour after I take my medicine before I can eat anything that goes with any beverages that aren't water. And I have to wait 4 hours before I can take any other medicine or vitamins. And that's not necessarily important, but I felt like I should share that. We are starting this week a little bit weird. I forgot to get my medicine refilled, and because of that, um, I have three options. So I can either not eat today until this evening when I get my refill, and then wait 1 hour before I can have my dinner, which will be in the evening. I can eat a breakfast as soon as I possibly can, skip lunch, and then have a late dinner so that I can take my medicine on a relatively empty stomach, or at least as empty as I can possibly make it at with having breakfast. Or I can skip my medicine dose and eat 3 meals. Normally, I would just opt to have not eat. Not. I would normally opt to skip eating, but because we are doing a project, I decided to skip the dose, and we'll see where that takes us. So this morning I made eggs, and I was going to make toast, but then I found these toaster waffles, and I figured, well, we don't buy them very often, so they can't be old. And so toaster waffles and eggs for breakfast. I'm not hungry right now, and I don't imagine I will be for a while, but this breakfast is as good as any other. Because I'm not taking my medicine, I'm eating around 7:50, but I have to wake up a lot earlier than I did today if I want to eat breakfast at this time tomorrow and still abide by my rules. So this is lunch, and I brought fried rice with lots of vegetables and 2 oranges. I don't know what to talk about. There are a lot of people looking, so okay. Lunch was pretty good. After breakfast, I felt that I was a little hungry, which was weird because I had just eaten, and I'm really not used to feeling hungry. But I think that it could just be a product of my medicine not being taken, or maybe it's just I haven't had breakfast in a couple of weeks, or on a day that starts to school, so I'm not used to. This entire schedule is just a bit weird for me. But that's what this week's about, right? Adjusting. For my lunch, I've had to be a little bit more healthy than just waffles. So, bell peppers, onions, carrots, broccoli, chestnuts, all those sort of good, nice vegetables could be found in my lunch. And hopefully it'll tide me over till dinner. Oddly, I do feel hungry though, which is strange. Okay, so this is dinner. I made baked potato and chili soup. This day's been long. It's been weird. I felt most hungry after eating my meals, but the hunger went away relatively shortly after. I think it was a good day overall. Good morning, Nico. It's Monday. High five.